Hi, this is Monoar Hossain from wixwebexpert, and today I'm gonna showing it to you how to use Wix editor or what have on the Wix editor. So let's get back to the screen. Let me go to wix.com. If you have already an account, then you can see look like that way, or if you don't have an account yet, then you just need to create an account there. And then I'm gonna showing it to you the editor mode. So Wix have three kind of editor. One is Wix ADI, another one is Wix classic editor, and another one is Wix studio editor. So most websites are using Wix classic editor. So I'm going to my own website built by Wix, and I have used the classic editor to create my website. So if I will go to now edit site, then the Wix editor will be open there. Let me check. The editor take some time to load, so we need to wait for that. And preparing your site, first time it's take some time to load, and from the next time it's maybe the RAM will take some of the space already, and then it will be, when I will reload there, it will be open very fast. And it's depend as well your computer configuration and the internet speed as well. So let's wait. And when you will start working on a Wix website, you have two options to do it. One is Wix templates. If you will search with Wix template, then you can see here free HTML template. Those websites are already built, so if you want to use any of them, you can just click here view. So if you will click view, then you can see here the layout. So if you like the layout, then you just need to click edit this site, then it will be open as a editor, and you can start creating your website look like that way with a template. So let's see what have on the editor part of Wix. So I have already opened my website here. So if I can see at the very first, here have the pages. It's mean how many the pages have on your website. You can see all of the list here on the left side. Here I have some of the pages on my website, and then you can see here a add element option. From here basically we are taking all of the things like as the text, image, button, stripe, decoration, like as the basic shapes, arrow. So the elements we are getting from there, and here is the sections. Like as you want to include any section on your website, then you will get that on the left side here. You can see here already pre-built some of the sections. You can start working with using them from here. And here have the site pages as well. You can navigate it from the top and from here as well, and you can see other the lightbox, dynamic page, the group space, member area things. All of the pages will be here. And here is the site design, like is your website, the color theme, the text, the page background, and the page transaction as well you will get from there. And here have the apps, like as Wix have not that functionality, so Wix have a Wix app market. You can include some of the functionality using the Wix app as well. And then we will get here my business. So here have the apps that I have used on my website. I have used the Wix blog, I have the blog section on my website, and Wix forum as well. I have used the group. So those apps you have already used, you can see there on the left side. And here is the media things. You can upload your own picture using this upload media things, and you can use your Facebook picture, your Instagram, your Google Drive picture as well from here. And then we can see the CMS. I will talk these things on the another video, not this video. And here is the marketing and SEO part for your website. You can do email marketing, the Google ads, Facebook ads through Wix. And here is the social media marketing integration, like is the Facebook pixel, Google ads, conversion things we can do from here. So it was from the left side. And on the right side we can see here here is the site option, and we can publish the website. We can do the mobile version from here and have a lot of option here. And from the right side we can see the save. Whenever we will work on the editor, we can save it at first, and then when the things will be done, then you can make it publish. And you can see the preview as well from there. Here is undo, redo. If you have done something wrong, then you can go back from here. And here is the zoom out and zoom in option. This is a very cool feature. You can move your website and you can navigate any section very easily using that. And here is the tools option. You can see the right side toolbar here. If you will uncheck it, it will be hide. When you will click, it will be showing here. And here is the layers that I have used, the content there. Here we can see which section what I have used. You can see for the first section, for this section I have a text at first, and there have another text here, then have a video. Here is the video. And let's get started. This is a button I have used on my website. So this is the layer things. And we can see here grid line, this grid line, left and right grid line. Actually we need to keep the things under these things, and there have a lot of things that I need to explain later about the grid line. And here is the snap to object. That is, it's mean when I will move any button from left to right, then have a grid line. Like as if I will move this one, you can see a grid line here. This is the things. And then if you will go to very bottom left, then you can see the layers as well. So this is the Wix navigation things, look like that way. You can build a website, you can add anything from here, look like that way work the Wix editor. Thank you so much.